It's that time of year, folks. SEMA time. That means new products. Super exciting. Let me show you what PROFORM's got this year. Tundra series transmission and oil coolers, available in 4 different sizes. Super durable. Totally awesome. Cast gray Crinkle rear end differential covers with the bow tie, magnetic drain plug, available in 3 sizes. Gen 3 HEMI and LS oil pump primers to the tools line. Here's a big one. An expansion of the race series carburetors. Completely redesigned main body and fuel bowls. A bunch of new features, adding better value. And lastly, 13 new styles of Chevrolet big block slant-edge valve covers. They look awesome. Check them out. PROFORM.